Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Network for You. We welcome you all to our Cisco Networking Lab series. If you remember, as we start one new series, in that one we are going to show you from the beginning to the ending, that is how to use the packet tracer, how to do the practical lab in that one. I hope you remember, we already have two video. So this is a third video. In our previous video, we already learned how we can create the account in the Cisco, how we can create the account and download the packet tracer. So we have the packet tracer. Now we will learn how we can install. So see here, this is a file what we downloaded in our last class, that is exe file. So just double click this one. It will open you the installation setup. Just you need to accept the agreement. I accept the agreement, then press next and press next, again next and again next, then you need to press install. It will take some time and it will install in your machine. Okay, so if you see here, it is installing in your machine. It will take some time. After that we can log in with our login detail, whatever login detail we created in the website, same login detail we are going to use, and we are going to perform the lab. So in this class we are going to learn how we can install the packet tracer, and we will see some small basic thing. In our next class we are going to learn what are the different options available in the packet tracer and how we can perform that, how we can do the lab. If you are beginner, if you don't know anything about CCNA, if you don't know anything about networking, this series is going to help you. You can watch our free CCNA series as well as this one. In this one we are showing from the basic, and most of the thing in this series we are going to do the labs. So we are going to perform the practical, how we can do, how we can connect. We are going to learn everything in this one. Okay, I have already the packet tracer, that's why I am getting this one error. But in your case, you can say, you can try, it will work for you. But I have already, that's why I get that error. Okay, so now installation is done, and if you see, I have this packet tracer option. So double click this one, it will open the packet tracer. Okay, and sometime you need to reboot your machine also. If you face any issue, try to restart your computer or laptop. After that, double click on this one, Cisco packet tracer will be open. And if you see, it open like this, and it will ask you the login detail. If you remember whatever login detail we created, you need to write, select this one, keep login me, and you can press here. Let me show you here. Or if you want to sign up, if you don't have, you can sign up, but we already have that one. That option is here. Let me show you here. There is some issue, I think, in the screen. So if you see here, if you have internet connection issue, they will give you some error. But if you don't have internet connection issue, you will have like this page. You can click this one, keep me login. So it will log in by default to your machine. So you can check this one and put your email ID, whatever you use to create the account. Example, we use network for you 4@gmail.com. So I will use that email. Okay, I will write that email, and after that we need to use the password, whatever password we keep that one. So let me write the password. I will write password whatever I created. I hope I created this one, but I did not remember. Let's try. Let me check. I think this will work. Yeah. So see, I put login detail, that is a username, that is Gmail ID, whatever email ID we used to create the account for that one in our previous class. Same password when we put. We are in the dashboard of the Cisco packet tracer. If you see, we have the devices here. You have the router, all different models router. You have the PCs, server, all the machine here, and we have some more option here. We are going to learn that one in our next class. Okay, so in this class what we learn how we can install the packet tracer. So try to download and try to install. If you face any issue, let me know. You have my WhatsApp number, you can WhatsApp us. We are going to support you. Okay, thank you very much for seeing our video. Subscribe to our channel, share with your friend who is interested in CCNA, CCNP and Python. Thank you. Bye.